Can can everyone write in the chat box about, like, what do you all remember about proteins? Does anyone remember anything about proteins which they can write about in the chat box?
You can also raise your hand, guys, if you know an answer that Mansi is asking. If you know
Sorry?
it, you can also raise your hand. Shubham wants
Yes.
to say something.
Didi, we get protein from the dairy products like milk, cheese, and butter.
Okay. Anyone else? Anything?
Very good, Shubham.
Okay. Moving on. What would we learn in today's session? What are proteins? What is the nature of proteins? What are the sources of proteins? What are the function of proteins? What is the protein requirement? Recommendations on diet for proteins and effects of protein deficiency. So the first thing would be, what are proteins? Proteins, they are a basic component. A component is something which forms your body cells, and which is essential, that is, which is important for building and repairing tissues. So in biology, the cells in our body, they are continuously being formed and being repaired. Dead skins are automatically washed out of the body. So, if you have enough proteins in your body, the cell growth and repair would be good. After that, proteins are made up of building blocks which help in regulating body functions. By regulating, I mean your normal body functions would function in a regular manner if you have enough proteins. Examples of proteins include pulses and legumes, cereals, and corn. So far with me? If you have a doubt, please raise your hand.
If you're understanding what Mansi Didi is saying, you can also show thumbs up. Okay, guys? So you can show thumbs up if you're understanding.
Should I proceed?
Yes, thank you, Shubham. Yes, I guess, right. Okay.
So what is the nature of proteins? Proteins, they are a part of the macronutrient family. Aside from water, proteins are the most abundant. Abundant is something which is found in huge or big quantities. They are most abundant kind of molecules in the body. They constitute the main matter of muscles, organ, and endocrine glands. By that, I mean proteins are the main component of your muscles, organs, and endocrine glands, and they constitute about 20% of the body weight. So, 20% of human body weight is only formed because of proteins. So far with me, please show a thumbs up if you understood. And if you have any questions, please raise your hand.
Thank you, Shubham, Muskan, Jamal. Others, please react. Okay. And if you're not understanding anything that Didi is saying, then you can also raise your hand and ask her. Good afternoon, Joseph. Yes, Mansi.
What class is this?
This is Mansi Didi's workshop, Joseph. Okay, Shikha is saying she's not understanding, Mansi.
What did she not understand? Shika, what did you not understand?
Maybe the whole thing. Okay, the whole. Okay,
Shika, please come off mute and tell me what did you not understand?
she,
The whole thing.
Mansi, maybe you can explain it in a little, like a short summary, like what you've said so far.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. So, Falak also has a question. Falak, I will come back to you once once I'm done with the summary of the nature of proteins. Okay, so proteins, basically on this slide, it's written that proteins, they are found in large quantities in the form of molecules in the body, and they are like the 20% of your body weight is composed of proteins. It is also like to build your muscles, organs, and endocrine glands. Proteins are a major factor which come into play. Palak, yes, did you have any question?
Didn't know the question you explaining.
Okay, so should I proceed then?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So these on this slide, you have top source of vegetable proteins. Okay, so this is an image of that. So moving on, sources of proteins. So proteins you get there. It is divided into two main types. One is animal sources and vegetable sources. It essentially means that you can get proteins via milk, meat, egg, and fish. And you can also get proteins for those who are vegetarians, those who don't eat meat. They can also get proteins from pulses, legumes, cereals, beans, and nuts. Also, egg proteins, they are considered the best among all food proteins. So far with me, if anybody has a question, please raise your hand, else show a thumbs up so that I can proceed.
Okay, Mansi, I think they're not understanding. Guys, all of you who are, and I want everybody to respond. Okay, all of you are who are understanding what uh, Mansi Didi is saying will show thumbs up. All those who are not understanding will show a clap. So you will either show a clap or a thumbs up, but I want to see everybody responding. Okay, Shubham and Muskan are understanding. Huzaif hasn't shown any response. Faizan hasn't. Okay. Mansi can't see. Okay, Mansi, I'll tell you all the responses. Jamal has shown a thumbs up. Maruf haven't seen your reaction. Falak haven't seen your reaction. All of you will show thumbs up if you've understood. All of you will show clap if you have not understood. Okay. So I should she say either a thumbs up or a clap. Okay. Faizan is also saying thumbs up. Shikha Falak also saying thumbs up. Mansi, I think they're understanding. We can move on.
Okay. So should I proceed then?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So these are the pictures of animal and plant sources of protein. So there are some specific food combinations which provide a complete protein diet, which would include grains and legumes. That is, if you have rice and if you have chapati, idli sambar, if you have rajma, all these are going. If you have this combination, you are going to get the required amount of protein for the day. in every meal, if you have rice, dal or chapati dal or idli sambar or rajma chawal, you are going to complete your daily requirement of protein. So far with me? Khushi, if you are saying something, please come off mute and say.
Yes, Khushi, do you want to say something? Okay. Falak is understood. Muskan and Shubham are showing thumbs up. Yes, yes, Khushi. No, you don't want to say anything. Okay, thank you. Yes, Mansi, we are
Proceed.
getting thumbs up from a lot of people. We can move on.
Yeah. Okay, so moving on, what are the functions of proteins in the body? They are important for body building, growth, repair, and maintenance of body tissue. They form the structural tissues, that is skin and muscles. They can also supply energy when the calorie intake is inadequate. And proteins act as primary defense against the bacteria and viral infections. So basically, this means that proteins are an important constituent which would help with your growth, with bodybuilding, which would help repair and maintain body tissues. It would also form the structural tissues, which is skin and muscles. So if you have enough proteins, your skin and muscles would be formed in a more rapid way as compared to the ones who have inadequate diet of protein. Proteins also supply energy when the calorie intake is inadequate. So this means that if if you have eaten less carbohydrates as like apart from the recommendation, if you had less carbohydrates, the proteins will come into play and they will help you regulate your body functions. But providing energy is not the primary function of protein. However, they do act as a primary defense, which means that bacterial and viral infections are kept at bay, or you don't get infected with bacteria or viruses if you have enough protein in your diet. Or even if you do get infected, you are going to be healing really soon as compared to the people who have less protein intake in their diet. So far with me, anyone, any questions? Please show me a thumbs up if you've understood what I am saying. Thank you, Falak. No question.
Thank you, Falak and Faizan.
Thank you, Muskan.
Thank you, Jamal.
Okay, so moving on. So protein requirement of a person, it depends on your age, it depends on your gender, it depends on your growth, it depends if you're ill or not, and it also depends on your emotional or your psychological stability. That is, if you are emotionally disturbed or if you have been facing a lot of stressful situations, you are going to require more than the normal limit of protein. So far with me? Please show me a thumbs up if you've understood, and please raise your hand if you have any questions. Thank you, Falak. Anyone, any other questions? Moving on. So what are the recommendations on diet for proteins? Simple recommendations, eat a nutritionally balanced diet, which would help you get adequate protein. Meat and fish are good sources of proteins. If you are a vegetarian, you must eat proper combination of plant proteins from both cereals and pulses group. You can include soya bean in your diet. you have to have 2 to 3 servings of protein rich food every day. So basically this means if you have a balanced diet, you are going to get adequate proteins. Meat and fish, they are good sources of proteins. If you are a vegetarian, you have to include cereals and pulses both. That is, you have to have dal chawal, or you can have dal roti, something like that. And you can also include soya bean in your diet. And you have to have this 2 to 3 portions, or 2 to 3 katoris of protein rich food every day. So far with me, no questions? Anyone, any questions? If not, please show me a thumbs up so that I can proceed. Thank you, Shikha.
Thank you, Muskan, Shubham, Shikha. I can see Jamal also giving thumbs up. Thank you, guys.
Okay, so now effects of protein deficiencies. So this means that if you have not been eating protein if you've had inadequate diet of protein, that is, if you are having less than the required amount of protein for a very long time, you tend to have deficiencies. Deficiencies means deficit. Yes, Jamal. Deficiencies means deficit.
Jamal, we
By
can hear
deficits, I
your.
mean very
One
less quantities.
1 minute, Mansi. Jamal, we can hear your music. Can you please keep yourself on mute, or I'll have to put you in the waiting room, Baba? Don't unmute yourself, okay? So sorry, Mansi. You can continue.
So deficits essentially means something which is in really less quantities in the body. So if you have a protein deficit, you can have body swelling, you can have a weak immunity system. By weak immune system, I mean you can catch infections really soon. Like it can be as simple as a common cold. So if you are having cold very frequently, then that could be one of the reasons. Then you tend to have a weight loss. You tend to have weight loss. Then you have thinning or brittle hair and hair loss, which by that I mean you have very thin hair, hair which can be broken really easily, and you also have hair loss. You can have skin rashes, you can have dry skin, you can have an overall weakness, muscle soreness, weakness and cramps. So soreness essentially means swollen muscles. Skin becomes very light and burns easily in the sun. So sunburn or so a sunburn, you are easily you can catch hold of a sunburn really easily if you have less proteins in your body. Slow wound cuts, scrapes and bruise healing. So by that I mean if you fall down, you are like you get hurt or you get cut, it is going to take a very long time to heal. That is what I mean by slow wound healing. Anyone, any questions? Please show me a thumbs up if you've understood everything. Thank you, Falak.
Thank you, Muskan, Shikha, Jamal. Thank you,
Should I
guys.
proceed?
Yes, Mansi.
Yeah. So, sorry. So this is how protein deficiency would look like. Okay, so it's quiz time. We are going to have some fun now. I am going to call out a few people and I will be giving you guys clues, okay? So the clues are displayed as follows. I would be reading out those clues and you have to tell me what food item it is. Am I clear on this? I will be calling out people and I would be reading out clues for them and they have to guess what food item it is. Let's start with Jamal. Jamal, please come off mute.
Mansi, maybe we can read out the question to them also. Um,
Sorry.
maybe we can also read out the question. So I'll read out the first question.
Okay.
The first guys, this is a food item. ठीक है, कोई खाने की चीज है. You have to guess what food item this is. It is a type of food, and its
Yes.
shape is an oval. Humpty Dumpty was one before he fell off a wall. And Jamal has to answer this. So Jamal, you have to come off mute and you have to guess which food item are we talking about.
Okay. Jamal has sent me a private message. He says egg, which is right. Huzeb also has said egg, which is also right. So the first one is an egg. The second person coming off mute would be Falak. So the question, so the question for Falak is: I am a type of crop, a food grain, and I'm also a breakfast choice. Who am I? Falak, any guesses?
What did you say again?
I am a type of crop, a food grain, and I am also a breakfast choice. Who am I? The second question.
Guys, you can just guess, okay? It's a guessing game. It's not a question answer. You can guess. Even if it's wrong, it's fine. Falak is saying rice. Thank you, Falak, for guessing. Anybody else, guys? Khakra. Okay, Huzef is saying khakra. Khakra is not a crop, Huzef.
No, it's not even wheat.
Shubham wants
It's
to
not
come
wheat.
off mute. Yes, Shubham.
Didi, chapati and roti.
No.
Falak is saying pulse.
No, Palak, not a pulse as well. Should I tell the answer? The answer is cereal. The answer is cereal.
Cereal means. Hello.
Hello.
Didi, cereal means.
Cornflakes देखा है?
Yes.
Cornflakes देखा है ना?
Yes.
Cornflakes is cereal.
Okay. अच्छा.
Should I proceed?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So the third person to come off mute would be Pradeep.
Yes, Shubham is
Didi,
saying.
what?
Shubham, you're answering the third question. It is. I'll read
आपको
the
आंसर
question.
देना है.
Yes, I'll read the question and then you
Didi,
can answer it. Yes.
Seafood.
Okay, seafood is correct. But what specific component of seafood would it be?
Fish.
Fish. Yes, you're right. Pradeep says fish, and Pradeep is right. Moving on. Vivek, could you come off mute? Vivek, are you here?
Mansi, there's something wrong with his audio.
Okay.
I'll just get in contact with him.
Vivek won't be able to come. His internet is fluctuating. So he
Oh,
said
okay, okay. Yeah. I'll just pick up somebody else then. Shikha, could you come off mute? Shikha, are you there?
Shikha Baba, you can answer whatever is coming to your mind. It doesn't have to be absolutely correct. Okay, we are just guessing. You just have to write. You just have to think about. You can eat its wings, its breasts, and its leg. Plus, it's alive. You can eat its eggs. Okay. Shikha. I think Shikha is not here. Shikha, are you here, Baba? Can you show us a thumbs up if you're here, Shikha? Okay, I think Shikha is not here. Can we choose someone else?
Yeah.
Faizan, I understand you know the answer, Baba, but we are going to send answers privately, okay? Otherwise, it spoils the fun of the guessing game, right? Yes. So sorry, Mansi, you can.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah.
Mustaqim, could you come off mute?
Mustaqim isn't here, I think.
Okay, he was here. Anyway. So Muskan, could you come off mute?
Yes, Didi.
Okay. So Muskan, your question is you can eat its wings, its breasts, and its legs. Plus, when it's alive, you can eat its eggs. Could you guess what it is?
Chicken.
Yes, you're right. Muskan says chicken, and she's right. Okay, so the last person to come off mute would be Afreen. Are you here? Afreen? She's not here. Ristar, are you here?
That's Maruf.
Okay, Maru.
Maruf, do you want to guess the last one? You can read it for us, maybe. Maruf. Last wala, read karo. Unmute karo, Baba. We can't hear you, Maruf. लास्ट वाला जो आपको स्टेटमेंट दिया है तो आपको गेस करना है कौन सा फूड आइटम है सॉरी कांट अंडरस्टैंड यू मारो Hello. Okay, I think there's a lot of disturbance from Maruf's
Yeah.
end. A lot of you have given the correct answers on the group.
Yeah. So the correct answer is milk. A lot of you all have given correct answers to me and to everyone. Okay. So another activity is you have to draw a source of proteins. You have to click its picture and send it on the WhatsApp group. You can do this post class as well. You can do this after class. Is that okay, Soumya Didi?
Yes. So this is going to be a post work, guys. This is going to be a post work. You are going to draw a source of protein and you are going to send it on the WhatsApp group. Didi will keep the WhatsApp group open for 5 minutes. You can draw the source of protein and you can send the photo on the group. Okay, Mansi Didi will be there on the group so she can also see it. After we have closed the space, after we have ended the class, you can take 5 minutes and you can share the photo on the group. Okay. Show me a thumbs up if that's clear. Show me a thumbs up. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you, Falak. Thank you, Muskan. Thank you, Faizan. Yes. Yes, Mansi.
So if anybody has any questions, please free to ask them.
मिस जो तुम बोल रहे हैं बैंक का वो अभी व्हाट्सएप पे आएगा.
I can't hear. Sorry. So,
तो आवाज आ-
हाँ हबीब
मिस
बोलो.
जो तुमने अभी बोला ड्राइंग का
हाँ,
वो अभी व्हाट्सएप पे आने वाला ही है क्लास खत्म होने के बाद.
क्लास खत्म होने के बाद आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे भेज दो. Anyone, any questions?
Anybody has any questions, guys? You can raise your hands. I think we can close out, Mansi. Doesn't seem like anybody has any
Okay.
questions.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I will stop sharing.